In 2002, the Diwali rhythm did a mash up the place, and Agent Sasco, aka Assassin, had a big hit with Ruffest. Let's get the backstory behind that track in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Check, come on, respect. This is Agent Sasco. I'm making us a reggae and dancehall, a Fiwi Culture.
We are the Ruffest, our style them are the toughest. If a girls we are the...
I'm the first one to have recorded on Diwali rhythm. Blinky confirmed that. It was, as far as I remember, it is either me or Zumji as far as I remember, but Blinky said me first record. And the vibe for the rhythm, I remember they clapped them in it and thing, and when I got the beat. First of all, a little additional story. Me and Zumji and Linky was at Penthouse, big up Jermaine and the Penthouse crew. And then you know it from them time to Kevin, man. And what you call it now? So from the rhythm I make, we pretty much know about it. As a matter of fact, Linky would have like several rhythms and him play this and play that and play that, but him play this one now and say, yo, he put out this rhythm, and so I get the rhythm and I vibe with it, and because of the clap them and thing, I say, you know what? I'm going to try find a song that will complement the clapping vibe, and also, all I could hear them time they say, boy, I'm full of lyrics, but I need to find better melodies so that the song them can be catchy and thing. And so, I try explore how I go do that now. So I remember as a youth when I go sports day and them thing there. You reach a sports day and them start sing some tune. You never hear them yet. But before sports day done, everybody has sing the song, them sing along, and you know you learn them, and nobody never have to sit down and teach them. So I say, all right, well if I can find a song that have the same kind of format, then you know it's supposed to have the same value. So that's how the We Are the Ruffest come up. It felt to me like a song that you could have sing a sports day and people just catch on. We are the Ruffest, our style they mad, you know. So that's where I get the idea from.
We both sit up, yes, we know they care about not about chase them for your big.
It was more along the lines of, you know, just getting into the different cities where the music had a presence, and in that time, as you can remember, you know, the music did have a presence, and, you know, for sure, you know, all of the diaspora cities, you know, East Coast, USA, you know, California, the Londons and the Torontos, and, you know, stuff like that. And then, of course, the Caribbean belt as well. So, you know, when you get a song like Diwali, Ruffest and Diwali rhythm in them time, you're certainly going to make the rounds, and we did make the rounds. So give thanks for that.
And that's the end of this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. A joke, nobody cry, we'll be back next week. Cumberland Massive, big up on yourself. I'm your host, Naldo Addy, signing out.